Well, hey there, and welcome to the Soul Sister channel. On this Sunday, September the 17th, my name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, September the 23rd. We have one major energy shift this week. The sun is moving into Libra on Friday. That is the first day of fall. Happy fall equinox on Friday. We're also in the midst of celebrating Rosh Hashanah. So happy Rosh Hashanah to all our Jewish friends. And I'm calling this week, work it good. Okay, so we're going to start off. It's a little bit of a tricky wicket at the beginning of the week, but come Wednesday and Thursday is going to be a major upgrade for our careers. And I see this week as being mostly about relationships and mostly happening in the workplace. So the beginning of the week, we have some Jupiter and Taurus not so cool connections, some squares. So either we're trying to inflate our own image so that we can get the attention of the authority to accept and own whatever it is that we're working on, or someone else, again, especially in the workplace, is inflating their own image, is telling little stories and doing little manipulations to make sure their project is accepted by the authority. And so we have a very tricky wicket. Our coworkers indeed may be trying to sabotage us or our project that we're working on. So be aware of that, and be aware of that could be us too. We're so into whatever it is that we're working on, we think the end justifies the means. So we can take shortcuts, we can piss people off, we can undermine people to get what we want. Be very careful of that the beginning of the week, because that will be our undoing. Keep working on whatever it is that we're working on. Don't let others influence us adversely, and don't let us be adversely influencing anyone else. On Wednesday, we have this incredible energy between the Sun in Virgo trining Pluto in Capricorn. So, and this is Wednesday and Thursday, right before the Sun moves out of Virgo into Libra on Friday. So we want to take advantage of this last Virgo energy, the Sun and Virgo energy. It is a great day for our career. Either we're going to be recognized for our work, we're going to get a salary increase, we're going to get a position increase. There is going to be some kind of upgrade if we have done our work. The Sun in Virgo says authority has paid attention to us, and our dedication to detail and following the steps and making sure that everything is done properly. And they have been watching us, and they are ready to reward us for our efforts. So look for that in the workplace on Wednesday and Thursday, some kind of career upgrade in some way. Maybe we have a great interview set up, or we see some great interviews to go on that really seem to support our true authentic self. So be ready Wednesday and Thursday, career upgrade in some way, shape, or form. And then on Friday, we have our fall equinox, the Sun moving into Libra. Libra is an energy of peace, of where we find our peace within ourselves. That is the major keyword for Libra. Libra is an air energy. She works a lot in our mind and our thoughts. She is a cardinal energy. She likes to begin things, initiate things. And she's also a masculine energy, so she's action oriented, going to get it done. So it's the peacemakers, it's the collaborators, it's also our appreciation of the beauty in life. You know, beauty brings us peace. The beauty can be a beautiful piece of art, not the Mona Lisa. Well, the Mona Lisa could be it if that rings your chimes, but that's what I came up with. It could be an incredible music composition, maybe something classical, or maybe something like I was saying the other week from King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizards. Whatever that music is that brings us to quiet and center and peace. It's the relationship. It's having a balanced relationship, a relationship where we honor each other. Not only do we honor the things that we share, that we both enjoy, but we honor our differences as well. And we're sensitive to each other's needs. We don't try to promote our agenda. We respect the other's opinions. We don't have to accept them as ours. So we don't compromise ourselves, but we honor the other. This is the energy of Libra. The relationship, bringing balance to the relationship and bringing internal peace. Of course, if we have balance in our relationship, we're going to have a more peaceful self. So that is the energy of the Sun in Libra, and we'll be talking more about how to use that in the next month. And on Saturday, it's a great date night. It's earthy. We have lots of earth energy. The moon is in Capricorn, and then we have a trine, a moon trine between the moon in Capricorn, Mercury in Virgo, and Jupiter in Taurus. Now, this time the Jupiter in Taurus is in a trine and not a square. So this is a great opportunity for us on our date night. We're going to do something physical. Okay, that at the end of the night. But before we get there, let's, take that earthy energy, add it with the Libra energy. The sun just moved into Libra, right? And let's go out to the art museum. Let's go out and have a beautiful dinner, a fine dining dinner. Let's go to a concert. Something like that, that really not only enhances our relationship with our partner or our friends and family, but also brings us peace. So let's work on that on Saturday, finding something for us and our partner to do that's physical, because we have all this great physical energy. I mean, we can even go outside and take a hike and walk on the beach, but this is more refined. With this Libra energy coming in, we might want to do something a little bit more elegant on our Saturday night. So let's begin the great week ahead by becoming balanced and aligned, taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then saying our new Sun in Libra affirmation. Let's take our first breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the darkness. I just said that, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all flowing out of our bodies, flowing away to wherever it came from. And in its place, we see this beautiful light coming in through the top of our heads, filling our entire bodies with light, love, and goodwill. Not only, we can see it as golden triangles all over, filling our body. Not only does it fill our entire body with this incredible light, but it's also protecting us, deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected to our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say our Sun and Libra affirmation together. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Good, good. You know, it's a good affirmation for Libra. It's all about balance. And to be balanced, to be at peace, we have to be true to ourselves in our work. And Libra is all about bringing balance into our lives, into our relationships. So let's be aware of that this week. Let's remember the beginning of the week. Let's be a little wary of our coworkers and ourselves trying to promote ourselves to look better than somebody else so we can get our project accepted. We'll get more accolades or something like that. But then on Wednesday and Thursday, it's our time to shine, and expect us to be recognized for the work that we have done in our career or workplace. And have a great earthy date night on Saturday, doing something more refined, or heck, go take a walk on the beach, or go take a swim in the pool, anything like that. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages that kind of give us a little idea, some kind of idea to keep in our head for the day that helps us keep that balance, helps us keep that peace of Libra. And then if you like the message that we're trying to get out from the Soul Sister channel, that we are responsible for our own reality and creating our own reality, and that we can consciously create the life we want, please share it with others so that we can all be responsible for our best life. We can all live our best life. Wouldn't that be awesome? Okay, well, remember the keynote from the Soul Sister channel, because that's how this all works, folks. It's not out there. That's just all pretty frou-frou stuff. It's all happening right here. Life is lived from the inside out. Have it a great week. Congratulations on that raise or whatever it is. Namaste.